I've been crushing on Kai for months. She's everything. I'm not confident, funny, always surrounded by people. I just wanted a feature, a little reminder of her.
Tignan mo, may picture ako ni Crush, oh. Napaka-swerte ko.
Ang gaganda ng mga shot mo. Pwede ba ni-post online?
Maganda nga ang shot mo, girl. Pero, may permission ka ba ng crush mo na i-post yan? Eh kasi di ba bawal yan?
Wala, girl.
I-post mo na online. Lahat naman tayo may karapatang mag-post.
Basta, sinabihan ko na kayo na mali yan.
I felt violated. Parang pinagmamasdan niya ako. Kinukunan niya ako ng litrato na walang pahintulot ko. Ito ay katakot-takot. Bakit mo ako kinuhanan ng litrato na walang pahintulot ko?
Hindi ka naman sinasadya na maging comfortable kay. Basta ang alam ko, gusto kita.
Hindi excuse yan. In-invade mo ang privacy ko. Hindi okay na kumuha ng litrato ng mga tao nang walang pahintulot.
Naisip yun, gusto ko lang palapit sa'yo.
Akala ko may ginawa akong romantic, pero ang creepy lang pala ng aking nagawa. Natutunan ko na ang isang mahirap na aral tungkol sa paggalang sa mga hangarin ng mga tao kahit na ang iyong crush.
Taking photos of someone without their permission can be an invasion of privacy, especially if it's done in a place where they have a reasonable expectation of privacy, like their home or a changing room.
This is the most likely type of invasion of privacy in this scenario. You're interfering with their private life by capturing their image without consent.
If the photo is shared publicly without the person's consent, it could also consider an invasion of privacy.
It's important to remember that the laws around privacy can vary depending on your location. Some places may have stricter laws about taking photos of other people without their consent.
The Public Act No. 100-173, also known as the Data Privacy Act of 2012, DPA, aims to protect personal data in information and communication system both in the government and the private sector.